Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this particular video, we are diving into how to place pending orders on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. All right, it's a must-know skill if you want more precision and less stress in your trading. Okay, so now let us quickly start with the basics. A pending order is an instruction to buy or sell an asset at a specific price in the future. So instead of jumping into a trade at the current price, the current market price, you set your entry conditions in advance and the platform executes the trade once your price is hit. So this is powerful because it lets you plan ahead, avoid chasing candles, and stick to your strategy without emotional decisions. Now, there are four main types. Let's come here. We can see the types of pending orders we have. There are four main types of pending orders. We have the buy limit. Buy limit is usually set when you expect price to drop to a certain level. Maybe I'm expecting price to drop around 29.70, for example, on gold. All right. Basically, it is set when you are expecting price to drop to a certain level before going up. So if I set this, it means I'm expecting price to come down to this point and activate this buy order before going back up. So you place a buy order below the current price. Current price is here. You set the buy order below the current price. That is buy limit. And then we have the sell limit. Come to pending order and then sell limit. Okay, the sell limit is when you expect price to rise to a certain level before reversing. So assuming I'm expecting price to come all the way up to maybe 31.20, right? 31.20. Okay, place my sell order means that I'm expecting price to come all the way up to this place and reverse back down. So you place a sell order above the current price. This is current price. You place the sell limit order above the current price. Then as for buy stop, we have buy stop. Buy stop is when you expect price to break above a resistance level and continue higher. So you place a buy order above the current price. So let's say I'm expecting price to break above this particular resistance. So maybe I can set my buy stop around 30.70. All right, 30. Let's just use 30.70. This is just an example, okay? But ensure that if you're using a buy stop, you are setting it at the correct level. If you have a resistance around here and you are expecting price to break above this resistance and continue going higher, so you set your buy stop above the resistance so that when it breaks above it, the buy order gets triggered and you continue, the price continues in your direction. Now, the next order is the sell stop. The sell stop pending order is when you expect price to break below support and keep dropping. Okay, so let's assume that I'm expecting price to break below this support level and keep dropping. So maybe I can set my pending order around 29.40, around 29.40. Set my sell stop order. All right. So each of these has its use depending on your trading style. Okay. For example, limit orders are great for retracement entries. All right. When you're expecting a retracement and then a continuation. Okay. So assuming this is a buy trend and then you're expecting a retracement down here and then a continuation. So your buy limit order can really serve. Or perhaps, let's say you are expecting price to retrace, for a sell, perhaps to retest this resistance zone and then come back down. So sell limit order is going to come in handy. All right. While stop orders are perfect for breakout setups. For example, you're expecting price to break out from this resistance. You can use a buy stop order. Or you're expecting price to break out from this support. You can use a sell stop order. Okay, so now let us walk through Okay, is there any other thing that I'm missing out? All right, you can also set expiration time. Let's walk through setting just a little modifications. When you are using pending order, you can set expiration dates and time. For example, if you want that particular order to expire at a particular time, given market conditions, let's assume that you set a buy limit order here because you are expecting the price to retrace today. Maybe you are expecting that price is going to retrace to this point today. And if it does not retrace today, that analysis is going to be invalidated. So you can decide to set the expiration date to today. So if today elapses and that order has not been triggered, it is going to expire. All right. So based on your analysis, you can set an expiration date for a pending order so that if that order does not get triggered within that time frame, it is going to expire and it's not going to trigger anymore. All right. So once your pending order is placed, you'll see it on the chart. You can actually drag it to adjust it. For example, if you want to modify the order, you can just drag it. All right. And adjust it to the level that you want. Okay. If I want to take this a little bit higher, I can actually adjust it, take it a little bit higher to the level that I want. All right. So you can just drag and drop to adjust. Okay. You can also right click to modify or to delete. If you want to delete the pending order, all right, it won't activate until the market hits your specified price. So now pending orders are a great way to catch trades during market breaks, news releases, or simply while you are away from the screen. Okay, they also help prevent overtrading, reduce stress, and improve consistency. All right, so if you are using a trading strategy that relies on zones, Fibonacci levels, or structure breaks, pending orders give you a way to execute with precision, even if you are not watching live. And that wraps up this tutorial on how to place pending orders on MT4 and MT5. Meanwhile, all that I have described on MT4, you can be able to apply them on MT5 as well. All right. You can be able to apply the same strategy on MT5. Okay. So if you are using a trading strategy that relies on zones, you can take advantage of what we have discussed in this video. All right, that wraps up this tutorial on how to place pending orders on MT4 and MT5. Hopefully, this helps you understand not just how to do it, but when and why to use it effectively. If you got value from this video, make sure to smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another trading guide. Catch you in the next one. Stay sharp and trade smart.